boys and girls. Welcome to LOL Dolls Families.
Hello, it's little baby Bonito here, and today we are doing another fun costume contest for our big sisters. Yahoo! Hooray! Hooray! Oh, I can't wait! Woohoo! Last time our contest was to dress up as different Christmas or holiday characters, but this time these ladies are gonna dress up like Disney princesses. We're so excited! We're so excited! Our big sisters are gonna judge, and whoever the winner is gets to open a new little sister! Oh yeah! So what are we waiting for? Let's get this party started. Woo! Okay, everyone go ahead and introduce yourself to the camera and tell them the character you're going to dress up as. Hi, I'm Little Oops Baby, and I am going to be Elsa! Queen Elsa! I'm Little Kawaii Queen, and I'm going to be Rapunzel! I'm Little Boogie Babe, and I'm going to be Sleeping Beauty! I'm Little Ian Cutie, and I'm going to be Ariel! I'm Little Babe in the Woods, and I'm going to be Belle! I'm Little Snow Bunny, and I am going to be... Oh no, I forgot it! I remembered! Cinderella! I'm Little Yang, and I'm gonna be Tiana! Oh, I'm Little Witch A, and I'm gonna be Snow White. And I'm Little Countess, and I'm gonna be Jasmine. Okay, everyone, on the count of three, we're all gonna go get dressed up. 1, 2, 3, go! So, Elsa is the queen of Arendelle, and she likes to use, blue! And so I'm gonna put on a blue dress, and I'm gonna add some more hair. This is almost the exact same color as my hair, which is a blonde and pretty. Let it go, I'm one with the wind and sky. Okay guys, the babe in the woods, and I'm Bill, and it's my turn, and I'm gonna use yellow and brown. Yay, didn't Bill! Tale as old as time, true as it can be. It's Little Witch Eye's turn, and I'm gonna be Sleeping Beauty. It's me, Sleeping Beauty. But you can also call me Aurora. I know you. I walked with you once upon a dream. It's my turn, and I'm going to be Ariel. I'm using purple, green, and red. Wish I could be part of that world. Boys and girls, this is who we have so far. Don't forget to start thinking about who you want to win first place in the costume contest. We have Oops Baby as Elsa, Babe in the Woods as Belle. We have a Little Boogie Babe as Aurora, and Little Yin Baby as Ariel. So just make sure you're keeping that in mind. Let's keep going. Wow! Hi, I'm the Kawaii Queen, and I'm gonna be Rapunzel, so I'm gonna use purple for the dress and yellow for the hair. Like the fog has lifted. Hi, it's me. I'm gonna be Jasmine. Little Countess needs turquoise and black. Can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Hi, it's Little Witchy. I am going to dress up as Snow White, and I have red, blue, yellow, and black. 'Cause Snow White is very colorful, the most colors of all. Little Boogie Babe as Aurora, Babe in the Woods as Belle, and hiding behind there is, Oops Baby as Elsa, and then it's still Bunny, and I'm gonna go next and be Cinderella. So we need light yellow and blue. A dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. Okay, boys and girls, I am your last princess to dress up, and I am going to be... Who am I? I am Tiana. So get this blue and yellow out of here and bring in the black and green. And I'm almost there. Okay, we have all of our princesses finally ready for the competition. And boys and girls, don't forget to cast your votes in. I think you all know who's who by now. But just a reminder, this is a little Yang cutie behind here, Tiana. And who went right before her? I believe it was... Cinderella was a little snow bunny. So, let's go ahead and bring in some of these big sisters to judge the contest. Oh my goodness, you guys look gorgeous. You are a bunch of Disney princesses, and I am Sweet Princess, so I know all about princesses. And I'm Sugar Queen, and I am so excited to be here to help judge the contest too.
Oh, and me too, Splash Queen here. We are all royalty.
Okay, everyone, the judges are ready to judge. First contestant is Little Oops Baby as Elsa. Come on out. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. Vote for me. Woohoo! Yay, Oops Baby! Okay, contestant number 2 is Little Babe in the Woods as Belle. I want adventure in the great wide somewhere. I want it more than I can stand. But for once it might be grand to have someone understand. I want so much more than they've got planned. Thank you. Yay, Little Babe in the Woods. Okay, next guys we have Little, I believe, Little Yin Baby as Ariel. Under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Out of the sea, wish I could be part And next we have, I believe it's Boogie Babe as Aurora. I wonder why each little bird has someone to sing to, sweet things to, and bring back a love song from me. Thank you. All right, little Boogie Babe. Next we have little Kawaii Queen as Rapunzel. And I'll keep wondering and wondering and wondering and wondering. That's when my life begins. Thank you. Great job, Kawaii Queen. Next we have little Countess as Jasmine. A whole new world. That's where we'll be. A thrilling chase. A wondrous place for you and me. Thank you.
That was magnificent, little Countess.
And next we have... Who's next? Oh. We have Little Witchy Baby as Snow White. One song that has possessed me. One song, heaven and true. One song my heart keeps singing. One song only for you. That was amazing, Little Witchy. And next we have Cinderella, played by... Who was it? Oh, Little Snow Bunny. Put them together and what do you get? Bippity boppity, bippity boppity, bippity boppity boo. Oh, I love that song. And last but not least, we have little Yang Cutie playing Tiana. Things do come true in New Orleans. Yeah. Woohoo! And that concludes the show. Way to go, little sisters. Woo! Oh, wait, boys and girls, make sure you cast your votes for who you would like to win, because we are about to announce the winner of the contest. Judges, are you ready?
Oh my goodness, this is so hard. They all look so beautiful.
I say we do first, second, and third place. I was about to say the same thing. Oh, perfect. Okay. Oh, yes.
We're ready.
All right, boys and girls, we're gonna announce it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. The third place winner is Little Snow Bunny as Cinderella. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. She did a really great job with her hair. It really looks like Cinderella's. And our second place winner goes to Little Yin Cutie as Ariel. Thank you so much. I worked really hard on this. I know I didn't get first place because it looks a little weird right here, but I'm so glad you appreciated my hard work. Woohoo! And the first place winner goes to Little Countess as Jasmine. Oh, wow. Well, boys and girls, this is such an honor. I'm so glad everyone noticed how hard I worked. And, it took a while to do my hair and have a pantsuit or matching crop top and pants. Oh, my goodness. Thank you so much. I'm going to cry of happiness. Oh. All right. Great job, everyone. Yay! And first place winner, Little Countess, here is your prize. Ta-da! But unfortunately, we have run out of time, so we cannot open it today. So you must please stay tuned for part 2 of our Little Sisters Disney Princess videos. Woohoo! Hey, but before we go, let's give out a shout out. The shout out of the day goes out to Super Mario Foxbox. Thank you so much for commenting, and we hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye, boys and girls. We'll see you in part 2. And stay tuned for our unboxing. And we may do a Disney Princess sing-along. All right. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Let us know if you'd like to see more Play-Doh dress-up videos in the comments. And if you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe and hit the like button below. Thank you so much, everyone.